Here we will write a Python program to convert lowercase character to uppercase characters without using function. So first in comment line we will write. For this we will use two Python functions, ord and char function. Ord function is used to convert single character to integer and char function is used to convert number to a character. So first we will accept string from the user. So s equal to input, enter string to convert. Then we will declare another variable as a string which is initialized with null. Then we will use for loop to read each character from the string. So for C in S, then we will check whether the character is in lowercase or not. So if C not in lowercase characters, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That is, if it is not in these characters, we will store it in out as it is. So out equal to out plus C. And if it is not in these characters, we will use ord function, convert it to integer. So K equal to ord C. The difference between ASCII value of small a and capital is 32. So we will minus 32 from K. So L equal to K minus 32. And we will add this L to out by converting it to character using chr function. So out equal to out plus chr of L. And then we will print string in uppercase and we will use out. Then we will execute this. I will enter the string. It will convert all lowercase characters to uppercase. If I execute again, I will enter character in uppercase and again in lowercase. It will print all characters in uppercase. If we give character in uppercase, it will not use ord or char function. It will directly add to out.